Hi there. So I'm going to quickly show you how an instructor would go in and add AAO or any of the simulations that they might purchase for the accounting 10th edition or 10E update. So both of these products are powered through CNow, which is added through their SSO. It is not accessed through NGL Sync. So they would have to go into their SSO, add the book, and they would want to click AAO for Gilbertson for the book. Once they do it, it'll exist as a link here. They can click that, and that will open Cengage Now. So in Cengage Now, they would just want to create a course using the product that they purchased. So they would open Cengage Now. If they have any other courses, so like if they're using a simulation and AAO or something like that, they would see multiple courses. They would do that here. So CNow is nice because it kind of walks you through things. It has training videos right on the front page. Every time you want to do something, there is a question mark that will give you a video showing you how to do it. So in my account, I have quite a few courses here. The teacher would go into courses, create a new course, and AAO for the book as well as the simulations have pre-built Cengage templates. So basically, instead of clicking build a course manually, they're going to copy an existing course and select the modify a template course designed by Cengage Learning option. So they'll click that and click continue. And then they're going to get a drop down that's going to list all the products that are associated with this book. So you can see there are the simulations, there is AAO for these books as well. So what they would want to do if they're using AAO for general journal and multi-column, they would select one of these two. If they're adding a simulation instead, they would want to select the simulation that they're using. So I'm going to say AAO for general journal. And you can see these are all the things that are associated with it. So if they're just using AAO, they should select that. And I wasn't here when they created this, but it is a little confusing how you can add AAO for the simulations here as well. Students will only be able to access what their printed access card has. So, if they only purchase AAO for $10, they're not going to be able to access these simulations even if you add it to your course. We would add a course name, AAO for, X high school, whatever I want it to be, and then a start and end date. So I'm going to make this end at the end of the year. And then that's all I have to do. Okay, so create a course. And then here, I'm going to have my course key, kind of like a MindTap course, and the registration URL for students, or I can print the registration instructions for my students. So they could either do that or send all their students this link to be able to log in and then enter their access code. So now that I'm here, it has likely next steps. I shouldn't have to create any assignments because I have copied a pre-built Cengage course. So if I click the Assignments tab now, I go in the drop down here, I'll have my course selected that I just created. They're all here. So this is AAO for that book, and your assignments would be here. Teachers can print the assignment with the solution keys by clicking the print button, or they can access any of them as a student by clicking the assignment name.